Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning maths with prep class. I am BC, I am a prep class tutor. It's always good to be here as your tutor. In this video, I'll be solving question 16 to question 20 of the Loyola Jesuit College Entrance Examination, Mathematics, Paper 4. Let's go. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. If you haven't, please make sure you do so right now. And make sure that you like and comment on this video as well. So let's move on to the first question in this video. Question 16. Find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are 85 centimeters, 58 centimeters, and 56 centimeters respectively. Okay, so we have to find the perimeter of this triangle. But first of all, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Okay, so we have to find the perimeter of a triangle. All right, so the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of its sides. Wow, so all you have to do is to add up all the sides. That's all. So what are the sides of this triangle? The sides of the triangle are 85 centimeter, 58 centimeter, and 56 centimeter. Okay, so now the perimeter of triangle is the sum of all the sides. Okay, so we have 85 centimeter plus 58 centimeter plus 56 centimeter. Let's do that here. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. So write 9, carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So the sum of the sides of the triangle is 199 centimeter. So the perimeter of this triangle is 199 centimeter. So can you see that finding the perimeter of a triangle is actually very easy. Just sum the sides. That's all. Okay, so the correct option here is option B, 199 centimeter. Check. Question 17. A square plot of land has a width of 94 centimeter. What is the area of the square plot of land? Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, so we are asked to find the area of a square plot of land. So we are going to use the formula for area of square. An area of square is a square. So this is a square. Sorry about that. This is a square, where a is the length of a side. Okay, length a is the length of just one side. Okay, so what is the width here? The width is given as 94 centimeter. So a is 94 centimeter. Okay, so the length of one side of this square plot of land is 94 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the square plot of land. Remember, the area of a square is a square. So a here is 94 centimeter. So we square it. So we have 94 centimeter square. What does square mean? Square of a number is the value obtained when you multiply the number by itself. So the square of 94 is 94 multiplied by 94. Okay, so 94 centimeter square is 94 centimeter multiplied by 94 centimeter. Let's do that here. 4 times 4 is 16. Write 6, carry 1. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. 9 times 4 is 36. Write 6, carry 3. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 plus 3 is 84. Now let's add these two together. 6 plus nothing is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus nothing is 8. Okay, so we have 8,836. So centimeter multiplied by centimeter is centimeter square. So the area of the square plot of land is 8,836 centimeter square. So you can see that this is very easy. So just square the length of one side of the square. That's all. Okay, so now the correct option here is A, 8,836 centimeter square. Check. Now question 18. Evaluate 333.51 plus 177.78 plus 407.17 plus 412.1. So what kind of numbers are these? They are decimal numbers. Decimal numbers are numbers that have decimal points. Okay, so all of these numbers have decimal points. So that's why they are decimal numbers. So to add or subtract decimal numbers, all you have to do is to find out if they are like decimals or unlike decimals. Like decimals are decimal numbers that have the same number of decimal places, while unlike decimals are decimals that do not have the same number of decimal places. So how do you know the number of decimal places? What you simply do is to count the number of digits after the decimal point. So 333.51 has 2 digits after the decimal point, so it has 2 decimal places. 177.78 has 2 decimal places as well. 407.17 has 2 decimal places. But 412.1 has just 1 decimal place because that's just one number after the decimal point. So in order to make it like decimals, all you have to do is to add 0 to this as well. So it makes 412.1 2 decimal places as well. So we now have 412.10. Okay, so just add zeros to make it like decimal. That's all. Okay, so now let's add up. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 0 is 16. So write 6, carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So write 5 and carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Write 0, carry 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 0 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So write 3, carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So write 13. So now the answer is 1330.56. So when you add up all these decimal numbers, the answer is 1330.56. So which of the following options is correct? Of course, it is B, 1330.56. Check. Question 19. Find the area of the triangle shown. So this is the triangle. So can you see that the base here is 14 meters and then the height of the triangle is 138 meters. Okay, so first of all, so what is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? The area of a triangle is given as r times base times height. So the base is 14 meters and the height is 138 meters. Okay, so the area of this triangle is going to be r times the base, which is 14 meters, times the height, which is 138 meters. Okay, so let's multiply 14 meters by 138 meters first. Okay, so let's do that here. 4 times 8 is 32. Write 2, carry 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Write 5, carry 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1, that is 5. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. So 2 plus nothing is 2. 5 plus 8 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then 1 plus nothing is 1. So we have 1932 as the answer here. So now we have r times 1932. So now we have 1 times 1932 as 1932 divided by 2 meters squared. Okay, so now let's divide 1932 by 2. We can do that here. So let's divide 19 by 2. 19 divided by 2 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. Then drop down the next digit, which is 3. This becomes 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Then drop down the last digit, which is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So this means that we've been able to completely divide 1932 meters squared by 2. Okay, so the answer is 966 meters squared. So the area of this triangle is 966 meters squared. So which of the following options is correct? The answer is 966 meters squared. So the correct option is D. Check. Now, question 20, which is the last question in this video. A square has an area of 2,500 meters squared. What is the length of one side of the square? So, first of all, what is the area of a square? The area of a square is given as a square. A is the length of one side of the square. Okay, so now we have been given the area of the square as 2,500 meters squared. So we are asked to find the length of one side. So this means that we want to find A, small letter A. Okay, so the area of the square is 2,500 equals A square. To make A the subject of the formula, we find the square root of the area. So that is square root of 2,500. So now, to find the square root of 2,500, I'll be using a method called the prime factorization method. Okay, the first step is to reduce 2,500 to its prime factors. So let's do that here. 2,500 divided by 2 is 1,250. 1,250 divided by 2 is 625. 625 is divisible by 5. So 625 divided by 5 is 125. 125 divided by 5 is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we now have the prime factors of 2,500 as 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so these are the prime factors of 2,500. Okay, so what is the next step? The next step is to group the digits in pairs and write only one of each pair and multiply. Okay, so we now have 2 times 2 in one pair, 5 times 5 in another pair, then 5 times 5 in one pair. So we are going to drop just one of each pair. So 2, 5, and 5. Then multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 5 is 50. So this means that the square root of 2,500 is 50. How do you know that the answer is correct? Just multiply 50 by itself. So 50 multiplied by 50 is 2,500. Okay, so the length of one side of this square is 50 meters. You can see that finding the length of one side of a square is very easy. Just find the square root of the area of the square. That's all. Okay, so the correct option here is option B, 50 meters. The length of one side of this square is 50 meters. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, make sure that you subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Till I come your way next time. Bye.